guys, I'm Kim and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm here today with another Coles grocery haul. So I'm just going to unpack everything and then I'm going to let you know what the plan is for our meals for the week. So this grocery haul was $198. Alright, let's get unpacking. Okay, so we have some zucchini noodles, some snow peas, a green capsicum, a lettuce, some tomatoes, mushrooms, some brioche buns, a loaf of bread, a burrito kit, some spiral pasta, some jasmine rice, basmati rice, some triple butter popcorn, two teriyaki chicken recipe bases, some cordial, some fruit bars, tuna, eggs, bolognese pasta sauce, Dijon mustard, some Thai green curry recipe bases, some deodorant, some Parmesan cheese, diced chicken breast, some chicken burgers, beef stir fry meat, hokkien noodles, some sour cream and some butter. Now back here I also have some toilet paper, some Pepsi Max, squash and pasito, as well as a 10-litre box of water. So this week when I was doing the phone shopping, I went through the freezer and also went through the pantry to have a look at what we had, and then I worked out what our meals were going to be based on that. So the plan for this week's meals is tonight we will be having spaghetti bolognese with some mince from our freezer. I also have a heap of frozen chicken in the freezer as well. So for that, we'll be doing a couple of chicken dishes. So we'll be having a Thai green curry chicken one night, and a teriyaki stir fry one night. And we'll also be doing a beef stir fry one night as well, chicken burgers, and I'm also going to be doing a beef stroganoff. So that is what the sour cream and the mustard are for. Other than that, a lot of this is just staples and top up. Oh, and also I got some stuff in case we wanted to do burritos. But yeah, pretty basic this week. Like I said, this one came to $198, which is definitely not what I would call budget friendly. But unfortunately at the moment we don't really have a choice. I have been considering trying HelloFresh again. We did do it for about 6 months straight, and then I started getting bored with like the repetitiveness of the meals. But I did just get one of those vouchers emailed to me, you know, the "we want you back" ones, where I can get $40 off my next 4 boxes. So I thought we might give that a whirl. I will keep you posted as to whether or not that's what we end up doing. Anyway, that is it for this week's grocery haul. I'm gonna pack it away and then I'm gonna start cooking dinner. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and ring the little bell. That way you'll get notified of my videos in the future. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Bye.